The law of assumption is an extremely powerful tool that basically states whatever it is that you believe is what you're going to get. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing real life examples of how the law of assumption has basically completely changed my life, including manifesting one of the biggest opportunities in a whole other country. Hi, my name is Amanda Abella. Welcome to Mindful Success Path. On this channel, we help high achievers, high performers, business people, and anybody trying to live their best life get the results that they are looking for without all the extra stress, drama, and chaos that most people are accustomed to living in. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video that we have coming out on this channel. And if you want to take what we're going to be talking about in this video to another level, make sure to download my free manifestation guide below, because in addition to what I'm going to be sharing in this video today, there's a 4-step process that I have used to rewire my brain anytime I want to manifest something new into my life. And I've put that all into a free guide for you. All the manifestations that I'm going to be talking about in this video, that free guide is going to walk you through that 4-step process that I use in order to magnetize and attract these things into my life. So law of assumption success story number 1 in my life is I manifested my fiance, and I manifested him within 4 months of deciding, okay, I'm ready for a relationship now. I'm ready to meet my husband. I'm ready to meet my partner. I'm ready to meet my forever person. Within 4 months, I manifested him, because I after being in lackluster relationships for a very long time, or feeling like I wasn't provided for, feeling like I wasn't protected, feeling like I was more ambitious than the men that I was with, I got very frustrated with it, as most women do, and I said, okay, time to change this up. And I decided, and I assumed, and I believed that I was worthy of the relationship that it is that I desired. So the first thing I did is I actually used scripting in order to get clear on what kind of a partner that I wanted. And I really focused on their qualities and characteristics as a person. And then obviously I added in, please be physically attracted to them. But I really focused on those characters and qualities, and I got very clear on what those things are, and I would script those qualities. So I made the list, and then in addition to that, every day I was visualizing, every day I was writing, I am married to the love of my life and we're traveling the world together. I'm about to get married in a couple months. We're currently living in Mexico. We travel all the time and we have a lot of fun. So as you can see, I met him within 4 months of starting that process. So that is law of assumption success story number 1. Law of assumption success story number 2 is we had a dream and a goal and something that we've been talking about for a long time, which is starting to partner with businesses. And then in addition to that, we had a separate one in mind, which is like, how cool would it be to have like real estate in different countries? Or how cool would it be to own a little ranchito, as they say here in Mexico? Well, we kind of got a 2-for-1, and it was in a very random set of circumstances where we were connected to somebody through somebody else, and then that person ends up really understanding the real estate of a whole town in Mexico, where you can buy plots of land and you can homestead and you can have ranchitos and you can buy a house. And then they're in the process where they're starting to really sell the real estate there to foreigners. We got connected, and now we're doing business together. We're likely going to partner. And then in addition to that, now they're sending us like WhatsApp messages of land that is available for sale. Now, the law of assumption there is, okay, eventually we're going to do this. It was fun. We were dreaming. We were having a good time. And then boom, it shows up like this without us even really having to do anything. So I will keep you all updated on how that goes and what we decide to do. But the point is, we're in that process and we're really enjoying that process, and these things are starting to come to us. Law of assumption success story number 3, moving to a whole other country. I had this dream for many years where I wanted to live in different countries. I really wanted to live overseas. I was not picky about the country, although I did have a playlist about Mexico on my YouTube. I had a playlist of a few other places as well. And I just never did it, right? And I got delayed because of family issues and then COVID, and there were tons of delays all the time. But around 2022, when I really started shifting my whole life and really looking at it from a more holistic perspective after having lost everything in a very successful business, I said, okay, it's time, right? It's time for me to start taking this seriously. And I would script again. I'm living in different countries. I'm married to the love of my life. And we traveled the world together. And then when I met Justin, he'd already been living in other countries. He'd already been doing the global citizenship, and then he just helped me get started on my process, and that's how I ended up in Mexico. And we both really value travel. We just spent a weekend out in tequila country in Mexico, which is where you'll find tequila, Ezatlan, the countryside in Jalisco. Mexico, to put it, hour and a half outside of Guadalajara, which is one of the major cities in the valleys, in case anybody wants to look it up on a map and see where we were. And then in a few weeks, we're going to be on oceanfront at the beach in Guayabitos, which is a beach area here, because we met somebody who manages Airbnbs, and we're like, fuck it, let's go, right? So, and then next month, then in December, next month, we're going to be in Miami, and then we're going to go on a cruise for our honeymoon. So we're really traveling, and we're really not just living in other countries, but also really enjoying ourselves and traveling. That is also a law of assumption success story. I assumed that all these things were going to happen in my life, even when people thought I was crazy. I had family members who thought I was totally nuts, and I just kept believing and kept assuming that this was going to be my life. And in 18 months, it became my life, and it can become the life for you as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video that we have coming out on this channel. And please make sure to download that free manifestation guide below, because it'll give you kind of like a deeper step-by-step process that I created in order to rewire my brain to manifest and attract what it is that I desire. Thank you so much for giving me your time today, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.